In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your iPad to a projector.
Most projectors will have an HDMI socket. First, we'll show you how to use the HDMI socket. For this, you'll need your HDMI lead, and you plug this in to the back of the projector. Then, using an HDMI adapter, you can connect to the iPad. The other end of the HDMI lead connects into the adapter and then into the charge socket on your iPad. If you are using the VGA lead, plug that into the projector . You will also need a VGA adapter to connect to your iPad. Plug the other end of the lead in, and then once again plug into the charge socket.